Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in the last weekly spread that I'm going to do in this Hobonichi cousin. And then I am moving to my July to December setup, which I'm very excited about. It's always so nice to be able to go from one planner to another and just have like a fresh, clean start, even in the middle of the year. Side note though, I mean, I'm not changing my whole setup. I'm still very happy in the Hobonichi cousin in the A5 vertical and doing the daily spread. So don't worry, that's not going anywhere anytime soon. But what I'll be decorating with this week are some stickers that were sent to me. These were sent to me by pen friend KD. She sent me some stickers as well as some samples, and these are from the Giving Girl, so I'm going to use these. I'm also going to use some of the alcohol ink from According to Allie, and I have an affiliate link with her. If you use code Karina10, you get 10% off her shop. And then I also have, I'm going to use some of this washi that Katie sent me as well, which I am very, very excited about. Let's get started. First thing I think I'm going to do is cut some of this alcohol washi in half. Don't think that's straight, but whatever. As straight as I can get it anyway. Then I will put one up here. As straight as I can. See? Not that straight. And then another. Oh, come on. Just my hands covered in ink today. And one here. Probably closer to this side. There we go. And then I'm going to use some of this washi. I love script washi like this. And that was so nice of her to send me some of these. So I'm going to actually cut a little bit here. I don't know why I decided to cut it on that end. And then place a little strip here. Pretty. And then do another strip on this side. Oh, I like it very much. Oh, pretty. Then I'm going to place some of these butterflies as well as some of these teapots. I think they would look really, really good together. So let's just do the one big butterfly right here. Oh, nope, because that's going to come off the page. So let's just do it like that. Okay. Then, oh, there goes Lucy. Then maybe a smaller butterfly on this side. And the T with the books right here. And maybe a smaller, do I want to put a smaller one? Let's actually, let's get my, oh, I know Lucy. Let's get my tweezers out so that I can add some of these smaller details around. I haven't used foiled stickers in so long. And these are foiled. Like I went through, if you guys have been around my channel for a while, you guys know I went through a whole foil phase. Loved everything foiled. And since then, really haven't used too much foil. So I'm then going to add one of these smaller alcohol inks to the side here. And place this one. Actually, I need a little bit of this. Just a tiny bit of it. So cut a little bit so I can kind of control where it rips. And I'm actually going to place it up and down like this. Or just a little like that. this is going to go on my arm. And then, oh, that's pretty. And I'm actually realizing I probably need to save a couple for the first 2 days of July. And I already went crazy on those. So I don't know if they're peelable. They are, so that I can have some. Oop. Hold on. I'm trying to do too many things at once here. Oh, it got stuck. Oh, that's why. Okay. Oh yeah, cut line. Ugh. All right, and then place this one here with the leftover piece here. And I actually don't mind that it's upside down. I think that's adds a little something else. There we go. And I think I'm gonna leave that. The rest I think will be enough for me to work on the first 2 days of July in my new spread. So let's go ahead and do the sidebar. So I'm gonna be using my On a Whim Woodworks Cool Tone Primary Manipulation, and it has Monteverde Purple Rain in it. And that is bright, and I really like it. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then the days of the week. And I feel like I actually should have used a different purple now that I look at it, but it'll still be fun to use. And then underneath it'll be workouts. And then I'm just gonna write the days of the week here. And then I've taken a break from doing weights, but I think I'm ready to get back into it this week, along with my stepper. Plus the kids are done school on the Tuesday, so I'll be better able to have more time to do that. So let's move to the bottom of the spread. And here quickly, I'm just gonna write the word meals from Monday through Sunday with my fountain pen. And this is where I'm just gonna keep track of my meals for the week. All right, so now that that is done, I can go in, and there's so much going on this week, actually. Let me grab my icons. It is a big week, and I need all the icons, but this won't even be enough to really show what's happening this week. So the first thing is I need to find the hearts, and it is Robin's farewell, her grade 6 farewell that day. Oh, I can't, I'm gonna get so emotional, just letting you know. Oh, and then I can add in work, so I will actually be logging into work at about 4 until 7:30. And then on this day, my to-dos will be to meal plan and order groceries. And then Tuesday is the kids' last day of school. Oh my gosh. So regular work hours, and then the last time I will have to pick them up. Oh boy. And then that evening, put out garbage. And I need my garbage icon. There we go. I love using icons, especially teeny ones like this that are just very neutral. Love it. And then Wednesday, I don't think there's anything really going on Wednesday other than just work. I don't have any appointments or anything that day. And then Thursday is the same. And I don't have to pick up the kids at 11:30, so I can basically have my lunch whenever I don't have meetings. So I'm actually just going to draw one solid line here for Thursday. And then Friday, there's a few things going on. So more icons. What am I looking for? Nails. Hold on. Ah, my husband just called. Okay. So then I'm going to take these multicolor nail polish emojis from Coffee Monsters Co. because I have a manicure. So 10 o'clock at Brights. And then immediately after, I have a massage. Where's my clock? Clockety clock. Honestly, you know, I'm organized to a point. So, well, let's not stab anybody with that. And then massage right after. So really taking care of myself today. And then I will be taking the kids then for bubble tea pretty much right after. There we go. And then I have to work in the evening. So bubble tea at Coco. That is an @ I promise that's an @ And then I do have to do some filming that afternoon because I won't be able to on the Saturday or the Sunday because I'll be out. So we'll do some filming. And it will be basically for the weeks and then the cousin. And then I have to work. So closing, which is fine. And then I will probably be folding laundry that evening too, because I will not be around on Saturday or Sunday. So fold laundry. And then this is a tough one because I have to be out of town. I might have to do my cleaning like first thing in the morning, which is the bathrooms, and then we head over to my parents' house for brunch. Where is my, there it is. Cleaning, and then there we go. So it'll be early. Oop, it's crooked, but that's okay. Bathrooms and the cabs and apps. And then my husband will have to figure out when he does the vacuuming in the windows. And then, oh, I am all over the place. Brunch at my parents' house. There we go. We've been doing this thing now that it's Canada Day brunch at my parents' house. And then my sister and I will be driving to Calgary. Family brunch. And then we'll probably leave maybe around 2. I don't know. My sister does not watch my Plan With Me videos, so she won't be able to reply to me and say, actually, we're leaving at this time. So, car. Why did they look so angry? Oh, here we go. So, here we go. Which one? Let's do the pink. And we'll do it here. And then to Calgary. And I won't put any other plans for that day because I don't really know what the other plans are. And then the one last thing I'm going to put down, actually there's a couple of things, but I don't actually know if Ninja's open on the 2nd. I don't think it is. Well, there's a little scratched off part in that heart. So main reason why we're in Calgary is a family friend is turning 100 and it's her birthday celebration. So I'm looking forward to that. Actually, it's a lot of people that we haven't seen in a very, very long time. All right, so let's do my cleanup. So there's the overall finished spread. I really like it. It's really soft in its colors, and then the pop of color is coming from the fountain pen ink. Very, very pretty. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.